Last spring, I spotted this slope possibility when I was out hiking, and it looked like it would work for a west wind, which is the prevailing wind direction, but we haven't had west wind too much this spring. I knew it was quite a hike in there, but I thought I'd take a shortcut, and the shortcut didn't get me to the right place. When I got back on the trail, I didn't get the right turnoff, and I ended up in a much more wooded area, but I found this tiny area to try to slope from. This was what the trail should have looked like. It had a lot more open area around to the sides. From both spots I could see the university, but on the trail I was on today, it would seem like it was much closer. The hike starts out real easy and nice and wide, but here's where I ended up. There's no place to fly here, so I backtracked and I found this area, which was still kind of small. But after so much hiking, I wanted to do some slope soaring, so I gave it a try. The vultures were flying here and they were doing better than I was. The lift was kind of marginal at times, and something went wrong with my electric motor. It was vibrating so bad. It hadn't done that the past time, but you know how that goes. But I made about 3 flights, and the last one I thought, well, I better try and land. I had hit a small tree one time before, and this time I was up about 20 feet in a tree. Of course, I didn't have a retrieval pole along, but I was able to find a dead branch and throw it up there, and I got it down. The sailplane's pretty beat up because it crashed a couple of times when I was flying in cold weather, and the lithium battery lost power and the radio blanked out and it crashed. Well, I tried a bunch of things, of course, throwing sticks and stones up into the tree, and then I found this longer branch, and I couldn't quite reach it, but I threw it up there and knocked it loose, and then I was able to grab it. So I get back to the trail, and I'm walking along, and I see this was where I should have went in. Well, I'll go back another time. I almost had trouble finding my way back out, but I used Avenza maps. Well, at least I got a lot of hiking in.